All right, guys, I am here at TipBacks Bar and Grill in Wapakoneta to do a food review. See you guys in a minute. All right, guys, welcome back to my channel, Buckeye Eats. I am Will, and I am here today at TipBacks Bar in Wapakoneta, Ohio on Defiance Street. TipBacks Bar, according to their Facebook page, offers wine, craft beer, bourbon, music, and occasionally sometimes food trucks, which is why I'm here today. I think TipBacks has St. Patrick's Day festivities going on today. I think they got green beer. I saw a party bus with a bunch of ladies pull up and get out and go in. I think they got a band here tonight. I'll try to put a picture in front of this video of TipBacks, but their parking lot is super, super small, and I didn't have any place to park in the parking lot and get a shot of their business very well, but hopefully it looks okay. I am here to try, the food truck is the Naughty Lobstah. That's L-O-B-S-T-A-H. They are famous for their New England style lobster rolls. The lobster is fresh from Nova Scotia. The gentleman that waited on me, very nice guy, long orange beard, told me they were from lobsters from Nova Scotia. So I cannot remember the last time I had actual fresh lobster. I don't know if I ever have. Living here in Midwest Ohio, you know, it's kind of hard to get fresh lobster. I wanted to get a paper menu, but they didn't have anything because their prices change a lot. That's what he told me. So I knew it was going to be a bit pricey. I looked it up on Facebook. Their lobster rolls usually range from between $21 and $32. I got their pretty much their signature one, the plain ass roll. I'll get a picture of it here. Hang on. All right, let's take a look at this. Oh yeah, that looks good. That looks good. Okay. So this is it's called the plain ass roll. Sweet lobster meat in a roll, obviously, a buttered roll. It has some kind of truffle sauce on it. I'm not sure if that's cilantro on top there, but I'm hungry, I'm starving. I haven't had anything to eat all day. I didn't eat anything for breakfast, and it's like almost 1 o'clock, so I'm assuming this is going to be a little messy, so. And, of course, brought my own water. This, they've got 6 or 7 different lobster rolls. Like I said, this is their plain ass roll is what they call it. This was $27, I believe, and it comes with kettle chips. So, well, this looks good. You see that? Every time. That's good. All right. There's actually a decent amount of lobster on this. The roll is toasted. Oh, that's good. The sweetness of the roll, and you can taste the butter on the roll, then the sweetness of the lobster. I mean, the lobster meat is the main ingredient. I mean, the main taste that sticks out to me on this sandwich. Juicy too. Kettle chip. So, as far as I know, according to their Facebook page, the Naughty Lobstah, Lobstah, goes all around Ohio. They've been in Michigan. They've been in Indiana, Kentucky, West Virginia. I'm not sure about Pennsylvania, but wouldn't be surprised. I wouldn't doubt it if they've been over to Pennsylvania. I wanted to get 2 of these, but at that price, I couldn't afford it. But it's definitely worth it. Like, I don't think I've ever had fresh lobster. I've had imitation. I hope my microphone's working. Got a new microphone. The kettle chips are like, they're plain, but they're, I believe they got pepper on them. I mean, there's nothing fancy about this roll, this lobster roll, but it doesn't need to be. The lobster meat speaks for itself. That roll, it reminds me of the roll reminds me of a toasted cheese sandwich if you would have used butter to toast it or grill it on. It's good bread. That's delicious. I thought it said, oh, there's the pickles. And I thought it said it came with pickles, and it does, but I'll throw those outside for the birds. All right. It's all gone already, man. That was delicious. So, some card for their truck. He gave me this VR code to scan for their menu. So yeah, I'm going to give that sandwich a 5 out of 5. That was excellent. Excellent lobster sandwich, lobster roll. And like I said, they got 6 or 7 different lobster rolls on their menu. They have lobster quesadilla, they have chicken quesadilla, and they also have lobster tacos. And I don't think they have a whole lot for sides, but all right, guys. Thank you for watching my channel, Buckeye Eats, and eat something good. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.